Hello, my name is Lorraine Ortega. In the day today, I speak IPA Symbols. IPA vowels. Symbol E. For example, sheep, sea, tree. Symbol E. For example, seed, fish, heat. Symbol A. A. For example, cat, flag, black. Symbol A. A. For example, father, bar, hat. Symbol A. A. For example, door, for, sword. Symbol U. U. For example, blue, food, boot. Symbol U. U. For example, food, could, good. Symbol A. A. For example, cup, up, back. Continues. Symbol is, air. For example, bear, girl, hair. Symbol A. A. For example, bed, man, mat. Symbol E. E. For example, teacher, away, mother. Symbol O. O. For example, hot, rock, club. Continues. IPA diphthong. Symbol A. A. For example, stay, say, A. Symbol I. I. For example, boy, join, toy. Symbol I. I. For example, fight, ice, try. Symbol ear. Ear. For example, near, here, fear. Continues. Symbol L. For example, where, I, there. Symbol ow. Ow. For example, mouth, now, out. Symbol ur. Ur. For example, sur, for, tourist. Symbol L. L. For example, nose, alone, hall. IPA consonant. Symbol P. P. For example, pencil, pipe. Symbol B. 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 For example, big, buy. Symbol T. 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 For example, 10, table. Symbol D. 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 For example, door, donkey. Continues. Symbol for example, cash, cat. Symbol for example, full, Friday. Symbol G. G. For example, get, girl. Symbol for example, thin, bad. Symbol for example, there, other. Symbol sh. For example, cheer, shop. Symbol su. For example, su, crazy. Symbol sh. For example, Tissue, beige. Continuous. Symbol, for example, have, hello. Symbol, zzz, zzz, zzz. For example, joy, use. Symbol, tss, tss. For example, shoes, watch. Symbol, For example, mother, more. Continuous. Symbol, For example, now, nobody. Symbol, For example, loud, lunch. Symbol, For example, king, sun. Symbol, For example, right, green. Symbol, For example, work, world. Symbol, G. For example, yellow, yesterday. Symbol, for example, sport, sun. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.